So which one do you actually need? Let's start with VDRs, or virtual data rooms. A VDR is a secure online document repository designed for storing and sharing sensitive documents between parties. That's it. VDRs are purpose-built for one thing: secure document sharing. They're the digital equivalent of a locked file room where the seller stores documents and controls who can access what. VDRs are critical for transactions. They offer SOC 2 compliance, watermarking, and granular permission controls. But here's what they don't do. They don't manage your pipeline. They don't coordinate your deal team. They don't track action items across work streams, and they definitely don't help with post-merger integration. A VDR is a tool for document security. For corporate development teams trying to execute deals efficiently, a VDR alone leaves you managing the chaos of Excel trackers, email threads, and disconnected project management tools. Deal management software, like DealRoom's deal management platform, is completely different. It's built to manage your entire M&A process and put you in control. Think about what actually happens across the deal lifecycle. Before the transaction, you're tracking targets, scoring opportunities, managing outreach. This is chaotic when it's scattered across CRMs, Excel, and email. During diligence, you're coordinating work streams across legal, financial, operational, IT. Hundreds of requests, dozens of stakeholders, tight deadlines. The manual processes and repetitive tasks are incredibly inefficient. Here's what happens when corporate development teams only have a VDR. You're tracking deal status in Excel, managing requests in email, coordinating team members via Slack, storing diligence findings in Google Docs, creating PowerPoint reports that are out of date the moment you present them. This is the chaos we hear about constantly. You're keeping track of M&A data across multiple tools, manually reviewing and updating deal information, and exhausting yourself hurting stakeholders. The result? Deal volume and quality drops because you can't keep up with the work. You go over budget with redundant tools, excessive billable hours, and additional headcount just to manage the manual work. Integration timelines slip, frustrating your CFO who can't accurately forecast cash flow. The VDR gave you secure document sharing, but it didn't give you control of your M&A process. Here's where DealRoom stands out. We're the only M&A platform purpose-built for buyer-led M&A. We built an end-to-end platform that takes corporate development teams from chaos to clarity. It's streamlined. One platform for every deal, every stage. A centralized source of truth for all your deal data that eliminates the frustration of managing scattered information. No more jumping between tools for different lifecycle stages. It's automated. We drastically cut your team's manual work hours with intelligent workflows, including templated rooms, bulk updates, and DealRoom AI. That means you can focus on strategic work instead of repetitive setup. It's aligned. Notifications, tagging, and alerts reduce the time spent herding cats. Granular permissions ensure only the right people access the right information at each stage. Customizable reporting gives leadership real-time visibility. And yes, you get a fully secure SOC 2 compliant VDR as part of the platform, but it's integrated into the full deal management workflow, not a standalone tool. DealRoom specializes in working with companies that do M&A at scale, 5+ deals per year, often concurrently. Our customers hit their integration timelines 90% of the time because everything from diligence flows directly into integration planning. No manual handoffs, no lost context. If you're a corporate development team currently managing deals across Excel, email, and a standalone VDR, and you're tired of the chaos, inefficiency, and exhaustion, there's a better way. DealRoom consolidates everything: pipeline, diligence, integration, reporting. Purpose-built for buyer-led M&A. We'd love to show you how it works. Links right in the description to get a walkthrough on how DealRoom gives you control over your entire M&A process. Thanks for watching.